kute Ramogi TV. Seche ma piny mangima ingo odhiochieng kedo gi mibadhi. Apisa maduong' ma National Youth Council Gloria Wawira koro dwani rowere onywandie chendo ma kedo gi mibadhi e pacho ka gilose nyasi mane obagi mbalariany ma Strathmore. Duol ma kedo gi mibadhi EACC yango ne mibadhi otimo newa e migawo ma tije, thieth kod ma somo. Duol ma Transparency International wacho ni kedo gi mibadhi osebedo matek nikech joma owenegi ting'no osebedo ka nindo e tich.
As we mark this day, we seek to partner with Kenyan youth to amplify the voice against corruption and unethical conduct, which continues to deny the youth fair access to opportunities for personal development. Let us work together to dismantle the system that breeds corruption. Start by refusing to participate in corruption, no matter how small. Today is not just about acknowledging the problem, it's about embracing the solution. Kenya's future lies in the hands of its youth, and that future will only be as strong as the integrity we nurture today. Let us unite with our young people, not just in words, but in action. Together, we will shape a Kenya where integrity is a shared value, corruption a distant memory, and every citizen has an opportunity to thrive.
You have passion, and that's what has driven you to do some of the things that you have done. And therefore, if these are channeled in the right way, we could actually bring down this giant. We can bring down the giant of corruption. The National Youth Council, established to be instrumental in channeling the energy of young people, we would want to see how we can work together so that young people are more engaged in this matter of combating corruption and encouraging ethical behavior.